Hello, we're on a shopping spree for the bees today. We're visiting a couple of nurseries to pick up a combination of both native and exotic plants that I've chosen specifically because I think they'll work really well in our garden together. And also because I'm choosing plants with flowers that I'm hoping will attract both our native Australian and European honeybees to our garden during various times of the year, while adding great colour to the garden as well. When I started researching bee-attracting plants, I had no idea that Australia has over 1,600 species of native bees. Now, I don't think I'm going to please every single one of them with my choices today, but I do think it's going to be a really great start. Time to shop. And this is what we've chosen. Austral Stalksbill, also called Pelargonium australe, native perennial herb with beautiful pink flowers from spring to autumn. Aquilegia or Granny's Bonnets, a beautiful small exotic perennial with delicate flowers and an array of colours from spring to autumn. This is Bacopa Snowflake. This is an exotic ground cover and has these tiny white flowers from spring to autumn. Aussie Crawl. That rings a bell, doesn't it? Scaevola aemula Aussie Crawl. This is a hardy native ground covering plant with fan-shaped blue flowers throughout the whole year. Tansy. This is a perennial herb with stems up to about 1 metre and clusters of yellow flowers from mid to late summer. I love grevillea, but we don't have a lot of room in our garden. This is a ground cover grevillea, and the flowers, this red flower, opens into a beautiful shape. Perennial basil. This is just like the sweet basil, but it grows throughout the year and has a slightly spicier flavour, has blue and white beautiful flowers. Some chives for the herb garden. If these are left to grow, they have these beautiful pinky purple flowers. Don't cut them off. And some prostrate rosemary to grow right around the border of the herb garden. So there are just a couple of plants that I still need to get from some specialist nurseries. I'll do that next week, and then I can plant everything and we can sit back and watch it grow. I hope you're enjoying following me on my bee garden planting journey. Who knows, maybe if it's a success, I'll be able to plant one for you one day to add some more colour to your garden and to help save our precious bees. Thanks for watching. Bye.